Tanvir Sheikh, after her MBA, worked 5 years in non-IT field. She wanted to change her career from non-IT to IT, so she joined STAD Solution for software testing training. Let's hear from her.
Hello friend, myself Tanvi Sheikh. I have done my MBA in 2017. I have 5 year experience in non-IT field. After that, I decided to switch my career in IT field. So my cousin suggested to me that you build your career in software testing. So I joined STAD Solution for manual testing and automation testing training. Here I learn about software testing life cycle, software development life cycle, and I have learned how to create a test documentation like test plan, test cases, test scenario, BRD, FRD, bug report, etc. After completing manual testing, I learn about automation testing, where I learn about core Java's database, MySQL, and how to work on testing tools like Postman API, Selenium, and Jira, and also worked on web app testing, mobile app testing, and game app testing. I am thankful to STAD Solution, and I especially thanks to Kashyap. They properly guided me. I recommended STAD Solution who want to make career in software testing field.